Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a wireless camera. This is a truly wireless backup camera kit, Solar 4. So it's a solar powered, lithium powered backup camera, okay, from AUTO-VOX. I'm really excited to install this on my RV because there are some spots that I just cannot see. I'm going to go through some of the situations with you installing this camera. Let's get to it. Let's unbox this camera and see what it comes with. You have, it says a truly backup camera. This is your manual. Set this to the side. It comes with a 7-inch monitor. Let's get that out. As you can see, this one is powered by a 12-volt plug. The monitor is the only thing that's hardwired in this kit. Everything else is solar powered and battery operated. This is one of the cameras. This is hard mounted and magnetic mounted. I'll show you the mounts. I have a second backup camera right here. So you can actually have one on your trailer or the front and the back. This is the mount for the monitor. I'll show you how we install this. These are the screws for the hard mounting if you want to permanently mount the camera. I'm going to be using the magnetic mounts. If you want to put the antenna further up, this is an antenna extender. Or you could just mount it to the side of the camera. If you don't want to do that, you want to extend the camera antenna, you can do that. You can extend the antenna. Comes with that. That's one of the solar charger. So that's the solar panel for the camera. So you don't need to charge this camera. It's solar charged. That's what makes it truly wireless. Over here you have a hard mount. You can charge the camera using USB cables. More screws for the hard mount. And this is for the monitor. These are the two antennas that comes with it, guys. One for the camera, one for the monitor. And the extra camera, you have the other antenna. Let's get the monitor mounted. One thing I noticed about this, it has a sticky pad on the bottom. You can have this at Hertz. You can actually stick this to your dashboard. Okay, so this is the back. This would come like this. The round side goes here. There you go. Yeah, you just screw this in. Adjust it how you want. Get nice and straight. There you go. Monitor's done. Just one screw and the monitor's done. Okay, so you'd have to take off these 4 screws right here, install this mount like this, right? And then this mounts on the back of the plastic side. There you go, like that. So this is what the camera looks like. The antenna goes right here. We'll install this right now. All right, so go like that. It's the front, and you can actually adjust this how you want, okay? So you want to point it all the way down, it will point down. You can rotate all the way up or straight forward. Most likely it's going to be like this. I want to show you guys one more thing. This is pretty cool. This is what I'm going to be using. It comes like this. It's a magnetic mount. So this would go on the back of the camera. It's a strong magnet. And you could magnetic mount this to like a trailer. The antenna for the monitor goes right on the top. We're going to use this one. And we're just going to screw it in like this. Okay. And then that's your antenna. Perfect. Let's get inside the RV. Okay, guys, we're inside the RV, and this is where I want to install the monitor. Okay, I want to put it down here. Luckily, I have a 12-volt adapter right here. Okay, so this is where it's going to be plugged in. We're just going to plug this in here, and this actually have a USB, so you can actually use this as a USB charger also. So I'll plug it in right here. Okay, guys, this is where I'm going to mount it. Works a little better right there. So while I'm driving, it's right here. I can check out my backup camera. Okay, it's perfect. Let's go ahead and get the cameras installed so I can see this, how it works. One thing I forgot to show you guys is where the solar panel plugs in. Once you get this flipped up, the solar panel actually has a unique plug that goes all the way in there. You see that? So you could seal it at the same time. You shouldn't have to worry about any moisture getting in there. Because the plug actually seals the port. And this is how you would charge. Another thing that you have to pay attention to is the orientation of this solar panel. If you mounting it to the top of your RV or your truck or your trailer, this should be the leading edge. So this edge should point to the front. You see how it's lifted on the back? So the wind comes and goes right over it. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to that mounting orientation when you install it on top of the RV or the trailer. Okay guys, so this is where I'm going to be mounting the camera. This is why I'm so excited about this. This is my trailer I pull with my RV. So this camera is just going to be perfect for that. So I have the stock camera. You can see it right there. Let me kind of zoom in. This is my stock camera right here. Guys, there's no adjustment. It's fixed mount. You can't adjust it. So having the ability to mount the camera on the back, especially that it's magnetic mount. Wow, this magnet is strong. Where else can it? Wow. Man, this thing is, when it's on there, it's on there. Okay. Let's see if I can mount it here. Oh, wow, I can mount it up here too. It's perfect. You can hard mount it right there or use the magnetic mounts. I choose to do the magnetic mounts because it's not every day I use my trailer. This magnet is really strong, and look, right there on the pack, I have the solar panel glued right here. So the wire goes right here, goes to the bottom of the camera, and the camera is tilted down, the antenna is up. Let's go to the RV and see if we can see what it looks like, see how we need to adjust this thing. So one thing I want to show you guys, from the RV, we're going to look at the stock camera. Then we're going to look at this camera. I'm going to leave this ladder right here. Okay? I'm going to leave this ladder right in the back, and I want to show you guys what I see inside the RV. This is going to help me a lot. This is my stock camera on the back of the RV. Now, this is what I can see. Now, when I'm driving down the road, if there's a car or anything, if I'm trying to just back up, there's something on the back of that trailer. If anything's on the back of the trailer, I cannot see it. It's a blind spot. A car, anything. Now, check this out. With this camera, look at that ladder I put back there. You see? Look how clear this is. All right. Wireless. It's charging solar. I can see behind the trailer. I can even put one of these inside the trailer to monitor my load while I'm driving down. If I have my golf cart or something inside the trailer and I want to make sure that I see inside the trailer, I can do that. Let's take a closer look at the monitor. So you have your channel, up arrow, down arrow, and OK. Let's hit menu. So this is where you pair your other camera. Let's go back. This would be your, you can actually put guidelines on there. Let's hit, okay. Guidelines on. Oh, there you go. So if I'm backing up, I can use the guidelines. Go back to menu. You could change the sleep menu. You could turn it to never go off, 240 seconds, 120 seconds. Settings, contrast, reset, support, MU control. Oh, so that's where you would do a front camera, front facing camera, or you could put it upside down. Channel 2. You can have channel 1 over here and channel 2 over here. So let's pair the second camera, see what that looks like. Okay, I got the second camera right here. Let's go to the menu. Pairing. And we'll go to second camera. And click OK. Then you go here and you hold down the power button for 5 seconds. There you go. Hold down the power button for 5 seconds and boom. It's paired. Okay guys, let's find another location for this camera right here. And I know exactly where I want to put this second camera. Another thing I have a hard time doing is when I'm trying to hitch this RV. So let's put this on the hitch and see if I could back up and hitch the RV. Okay guys, I just installed the second camera on the back of the RV. One of the hardest things for me is backing this RV up and getting it hitched. Because the camera is so high, I can't see the hitch. So I need to lower this one just a little bit so I can see the hitch on the RV. All right, look at this. So now I can just put this in reverse and back up. So now that I'm in reverse, I can just back up. And there you go. Right there. That worked perfectly. There you go. So now I can use this anywhere I want. Come back over here and switch channels. I can have the hitch on one. This should go to the back of the trailer. I can also move this and put it to the top. I'm gonna do this right now. So that's why I like the magnetic mounts. You could just pop it out, put it where you want. The one on the back of the trailer, I can put it on my toad. So now I can actually see that car behind. I can actually see the car behind the trailer. So when I'm driving down the road, I don't need to wonder if someone's behind me or if someone's close tailgating. They're right there on the camera. Now I'm going to take this camera and put it to the top. Okay guys, so I just relocated the camera from the bottom by the hitch to right below my stock camera. You see, this is hard mounted. You can't move it. This one right here, I can tilt it. Let's get it a little tilted up. And these are, I mean, they're on there. Okay, the magnetic mounts. Okay guys, so now I have one mounted so I can monitor the back of the RV with channel 2, and I can switch to channel 1. This is a dual channel, and I can see the back of the trailer, or I can just go right here and see a complete back of the trailer. Man, this is perfect. This is exactly what you need for your RV. If you're towing a toad, you could actually put this on the back of your toad and monitor the back of the toad instead of not seeing. And that's, for those of y'all, the toad is the car you tow with your RV. And sometimes when you're driving down an RV, if you have a big truck or trailer, you just, especially if you have a fifth wheel, you need this for your fifth wheel. It goes all the way back there. It's super clear. All right, switch channels. There you go. Now I can monitor the trailer, or I can switch right here and monitor both of them. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, just a quick review of this AUTO-VOX dual camera system. You have a channel 1, channel 2, and the 7-inch monitor. Absolutely perfect. Wireless, truly wireless backup camera. Guys, if you like this review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, check it out. The links are in the description. If you want to check this out, go to the description. I have the links. You can get you one of these. Guys, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.